Welcome back to your Cali Bro Jay. Today, guys, I'm very excited to bring you some very good news from the garden. I believe that I have my very first fruit. And before I go any further, please hit that like, share, subscribe, and even the hype button. And I would really appreciate it. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when the pollen has been rejected. So I'm going to show you two different fruits, and then you will know that we have a fruit, the first dragon fruit of the season. All right, stand by. All right, guys, so as you can see, this right here is completely yellow. That fruit did not take the pollen, it aborted. All right, but this one right here, see that? Nice and firm, you can't even wiggle it. I've even taken the flower off. And this right here is the first official dragon fruit of the season. So now, as we go around looking, we have another fruit right here, and another. Oh, hold it. So this is a little wiggly. Yeah, you see how that wiggles? So more than likely, this is not going to be a fruit. So I'm just going to wait till it gets a little bit weaker, then I will take it off of there. See this? It's not wiggly. That's going to be a fruit. That's going to be a fruit. Let's swing on over. Let's see what else might possibly be a fruit or not a fruit. Okay, that one is way in the back, but it looks like it's turning yellow, so that might not be a fruit. Guys, so it's official. Be on standby for the members. Be on standby for the giveaways, the raffles, and all that, and other things coming up. All right, guys, it's official. We are in the midst of the dragon fruit season. All right, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.